Good morning. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post nearly every day, but especially subscribe because this is day one of a 5-day yoga challenge. 5 days in a row. Wake up, roll out your mat, and stretch with me for about 10 minutes, and then you go about your day. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's begin in our child's pose. Big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward, away from you. Let's inhale. Exhale, lower the forehead to the mat and arrive. Arrive physically. Arrive mentally. Arrive in the present moment. The most direct way to do that is to focus on your breath. Try to breathe in and out through the nose as best as you can. Let's keep our eyes open, gaze soft to maintain presence. Use this time to set an intention, something to keep you present when your mind wants to wander. Let's go with gratitude for your desire to bring yourself to this moment right now. Gratitude to want to take care of yourself. Walk your hands over to the right. Place your left hand on top of the right hand, but reach it just a little bit farther away from you. And soften down. You can rest your head on your left bicep and breathe into the left side of your body. Walk your hands through center. Right hand on top. Again, go a little bit farther away and then soften the shoulder down. Breathe. Let the stomach relax and fill the torso. Long exhales. Let's walk the hands back to center. Lift up enough so you can tent your fingers. Press down a little bit underneath the arms, adjust as needed, and then bring the forehead down to the mat. Find some engagement, some energy shifting into the body. Relax the wrists. Press up to all fours, tabletop. And let's find some organic movement. Circles with the torso. Tuck the toes and lean to the right, forward, down, and back. Organic means natural. It means whatever sounds good to you. Let's go both directions, feeling a stretch in the tops of the feet, feeling the weight redistribute through the hands. Tabletop, let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. Lift the gaze. Exhale, press the mat away and pull it in the stomach. 2 more, only 3, so make them quality, make them intentional. Arch, lift. Exhale, press the mat down, press the tops of the feet down. Once more, open. And round. Tabletop. Let's tuck the toes and hover the knees about an inch off of the mat. What's starting to fire up? The thighs, the arms, Make sure you slow down the breath and keep your gaze soft. Downward dog. Keep the knees a little bit bent. Let's move through the feet, bending one knee at a time. And while we're here, let's stretch the tops of the feet one at a time. Lift up onto the toes, nail bed side down with one foot, rock a little side to side. Try not to sink into the heels of the palms when you're doing this. All right, downward facing dog. Let's keep the knees soft. Walk up to the top of your mat, ragdoll over the legs. Separate your feet about hip width. And I like to bend and straighten a few times. My hamstrings are really tight in the morning. So taking your time to warm up, even just for your day, is worth it. Let's bring the feet to touch. Keep the knees soft and relax over the legs again. Press to stand. Stand tall. Shoulders relax down. Let's find some good posture. Reconnect to your gratitude for where you are right now, for what you're doing right now. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Hold on to the left wrist, and just for the exhale, lean to the right, hips to the left. I'll turn to show you, not that far. Think up more than over. And lift out to switch sides. Come back to center. Bring the arms so that they are shoulder width apart. Elbows are soft. Arms are overhead. Take a couple of breaths. Notice the arms start to feel tired. They gently start to feel heavier. Inhale, straighten the arms, look up between the hands. Exhale, bend the knees forward, fold over the legs. Halfway lift, long flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot back to a lunge. Left knee over the left ankle. Tall on the toes of the back foot. Let's lower the right knee. Hello, hip flexors, shoulders back. Exhale, press into the front foot and hands. Let's try to straighten both legs. It might not happen right now. Lunge and lunge twist. Right hand down, left arm up. Left hand back down. Step to the top of the mat. Relax over your legs. Round up to standing. Arms above the head. Seal the palms. Let the elbows stay soft. Inhale, look up at your hands, reach taller. And exhale, forward fold, bend the knees. Left foot back to a lunge. Let's lower the left knee, stay lifted on fingertips, draw the shoulders back. Long exhale, pyramid pose, trying to straighten the legs. Lunge. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm reaches. Left hand back down, step to the top of your mat. Long exhale over the legs. Round up to standing. Stand tall, inhale, arms overhead. Look up at your hands, one more sip of air. Exhale, bend the knees and forward fold. Bend the knees, sit down on the mat. And cross your legs, sit up tall. Bring the palms to touch and then inhale, sweep the arms wide overhead. Twist to the right, float the hands down, left hand to the right knee, right hand behind you. And switch sides, but breathe in between, lift. Exhale, twist to your left, sit up tall. One final closing breath. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Lift up, breathe in. Lower your hands down to heart center. Gratitude for where you are right now, physically, mentally. Thank you for being here. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, how you did, and if you'll see me tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Namaste. That was day 1.